Hey YouTubers, this is Sarah and Julie again with our next episode of Quick Flips. Get ready. We are going to show you 1, 2, 3, 4,
14.
14 quick flips and bolos. So be on the lookout when you're out shopping and we'll show them to you next.
That doesn't work.
So our first item were a pair of Merrills I purchased. I bought them for $30 and I listed them on August 23rd and sold them later that night on August 23rd. It actually had only 4 views, so that I'd say was a pretty quick flip. The next item I had was given to us. It's a Cisco firewall. That I listed on August 15th and it sold just over about a week and a half later on August 24th. Didn't cost us anything, so it was a very good profit there. This I bought from a estate sale and I paid about $1 for it with a lot of other stuff like on a table. There were 2 pipes in there, this one and that one, and I paid $1 each is what I estimate. And they sold on the 6th of September and I listed them on the 5th of September. So that's pretty good. These 2 items are similar, they're just different sizes of cast iron. I paid $4 each for them and I listed them on September 5th, and the first one, this one sold on the 12th of September and this one sold on the 24th of September. So pretty quick flips there and a decent amount of profit. This was a garage sale find, Saturday morning deals of the day. This I paid, I believe, 50 cents or $1. I listed it on September 5th and it sold on September 12th. So that's pretty quick. And next up, Sarah's going to go through her items. The crazy cat.
Let's Bill the cat. Found him at the Goodwill outlet. Our Goodwill outlet is 99 cents a pound. This is a stuffed animal. He still had his tag attached. That's what caught my eye. And he was in really good shape. Listed him on September 8th. Sold the next day on the 9th. Johnny is a boutique from Los Angeles. This is a rayon tunic. Also from the outlet. Cost me about 50 cents. This is my second Johnny top. Definitely a bolo. They're really light to ship and new. They're $200 plus. This is my second shirt, and Julie just posted in a previous video that she found a pair of pants from there.
Oh yeah, Johnny JW Los Angeles is what it was, and I had no idea. So I just typed that in, and there it was in Google. Johnny was.
Next up, Halloween costume, Day of the Dead dress. This is just the dress, missing the headband and arm cuffs, stockings. Listed on September 6th, sold on the 23rd, so about 2 weeks.
You also got that at the Goodwill outlet?
So
that didn't cost much, right?
Every one of these is from the Goodwill outlet.
You had a good day that day.
Yeah, it was. North Face backpack. This haystack style is usually in solids. This one happens to be camo. There was nothing wrong with it. No dirt anywhere. Listed it on the 21st of September. Sold the next day on the 22nd. I believe I shipped it in 2 poly mailers. Put together end to end.
We'll have to do some videos on shipping techniques. How we can get a pair of shoes in a flat rate envelope, or some other fancy stuff Sarah likes to do in the morning.
This is a repeater, cell phone signal repeater. also from the outlet. Listed on the 16th, sold on the 16th. 10 minutes later, I was listing a few things late at night, and this sold before my next item was listed. Just the unit itself, no power cords or anything. I tested it with the power cord from something else I had just to show that it does indeed turn on. And next up is the coat featured in our second video from Tommy Hilfiger, early 90s, sailing, windbreaker, rain jacket style. Had listed this on the 26th yesterday, sold later that night. A person started sending me offers, and I always have best offer on my items. He started around $80, ended up selling it for $90, and shipped it in a flat rate envelope for $6. And lastly is this 1987 lovely hot pink stuffed animal Russia loves. This one had some condition issues, some yellowing on the ears and feet, and a little bit on the nose that I had cleaned off. This one was listed on September 22nd and sold on the 24th. Had it been in better condition, I could have got about twice the price, but it was a really quick sale. I went to California, and the ladies already left feedback, positive feedback. Yay!
So all in all, we made a profit of, for me, I spent $41 on those 7 items. And my net profit after shipping, after fees, after absolutely
Cost.
everything, cost, everything, I cleared $195.51. And on Sarah's,
My net profit was
Was that right?
$262.52
did you spend that much?
off $7.
$7. That's the benefits of shopping at the Goodwill outlet store. So you bought 7 pounds of things.
7 items. It
So
was an estimate of $7. Some might have been 50 cents. Some might have been a little more. But yep, $262.52. I win.
wow, that's a huge week. That's pretty awesome.
So 14 items for a total net profit of $458.03
on $48. So that's the great thing about shopping and thrifting. You buy low and you sell high. Have a good evening. But wait, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and look at our link down below for our eBay store, and feel free to shop all you want.